Hi guys, Afsheni, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Lynn Gomane. I share business ideas that we can all relate to as South Africans. So if you like the type of content that I create, please do consider to subscribe, to hit the notification button so you'll be notified each and every time whenever I post a video. So guys, today's topic it is how to start a kiddies outdoor playground. So today we are going to do part 2. Yesterday we've done part 1. So part 2 it is going to cover we are going to cover part 2 for the middle class. So for those people who can afford or who are willing to invest a lot of money in this particular business. So let's talk about the things that you are going to do for you to get started into this business. So the first thing that you are going to do, it is to register your business for tax purposes. The second thing, it is for you to get a business plan. You need to make sure that you hire a professional or you get a professional to help you with the business plan, because remember, on this one you are going to invest a lot of money, so you do not want to make mistakes. Please make sure that you get professional help when you are doing your business plan. The third thing that you are going to do, it is to buy a site. Buy a nice big site that can at least accommodate 2 houses. So the reason for that is because I want us to divide it into 4 sites. So the first site is going to be the kids outdoor playground, which is your main site, and then the second one is going to be the game room, and then the third one is going to be the car wash. The fourth one is going to be the ladies and gents corner. Okay, now let's talk about the things that can be featured in the outdoor playground for the kids. Again, I have listed a lot of them in part 1, but I am going to list a few here. So the first one, it is the swings, slides or water slides, swimming pool, jumping castles, trampolines. You can also include a jungle gym, because this one is going to be big. Let's talk about the game room. What can you include in the game room? So you will install some climbing walls. You will install some playstations for the kids to play, the basketball hoop game, and then some dartboards, and you can buy a lot of toys for them to play indoors. So that is what you are going to do. Now let's talk about the car wash. Okay, before we go to the car wash, another thing that you can include which can make you a lot of money, it is the 9D twin pod or 9D single pod. So you can buy this one in amusement warehouse. They are based in KZN. The problem is that it is too expensive. Okay, the single pod, it is around 70,000 excluding VAT, and then the twin pod, it's around 140,000 excluding VAT. So if you've been to Shaka Marine, you should have seen this thing that I am talking about. You can make a lot of money out of it. So let's talk about the car wash. Why did I include a car wash in this business? The reason why I did is because when the parents come to bring their kids to have fun in your playground, they are going to come with cars. Probably they will be dating. So instead of waiting and doing nothing while they're waiting, while they're waiting for their kids, they can get their cars cleaned while they are waiting. So you make more money out of that. Now, what can you include in the car wash? You can include a braai area. When they are waiting, they can also braai some meat, so that they won't be bored. Okay, now let's talk about the ladies and gents corner. Why did I include that? Okay, this is the reason. Again, when they come to bring their kids, they want you want to make sure that they are also entertained, so they can come on a regular basis. So on that ladies and gents corner, they will get to enjoy some refreshments. You will need to add some entertainment. That can be your TV or the sound system to to keep them busy while they are waiting for their kids. Some magazines for them to read. You can also include a soccer table and a pool table. Again, they will have to pay when they go into ladies and gents corner. So you will be making money at all costs. So that is why I have included all that. So you will need to determine okay, before we get to determining the price on how much you are going to charge your clients for each activity, let's talk about the things that you are going to sell for the kids there. I have listed a lot of them in part one, but I'm going to list a few again here. So that will be your ice cream. You can sell snacks, sweets, juice, some lunch when they're hungry. You can also sell toys. And then again, you will be making money when you do that. And then let's talk about the pricing. How are you going to charge them? You will have to determine how much you are going to charge your clients for each and every activity that they are going to be participating in. You can't charge them maybe 600 for everything. That will be too expensive. So you need to charge them separately. Let's say they want to play some PlayStation. You can say, okay, for 10 minutes it will be 10 rand or 30 rands. It will be up to you. That is how you can make a lot of money out of it. So please don't forget the most important thing, which is to learn and practice the outdoor playground safety for the kids. You need to make sure that you master that to minimize injuries as much as possible. You do not have to worry about the adults, they can take care of themselves. And then again, you will need to hire some general workers and professional workers in this case, because you will have a lot of things going on in your business. You will need some securities, you will need people to wash cars, you will need people to serve your clients in the ladies and gents corner, people to help you watch the kids, people who are going to help you with like in the game room, how to fix things when it's broken and all that. So you will need to hire a lot of people. So before you can jump into this business, please make sure that you do extensive research, because you are going to invest a lot of money into this, like in this particular business. Thank you for your time. I will see you on the next video. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.